In this video, I'll show you how to share projects in Google AI Studio step by step in 2026. Sharing your projects makes it easy to collaborate with teammates, review AI prompts, and work together on applications more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. From the dashboard, open the project that you want to share. Make sure all your recent changes have been saved before inviting others. Next, locate the **share** or project settings ** option. If sharing is available for your project, click it and enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Choose the appropriate permission level, such as viewer or editor, depending on how much access you want to provide. Before sending the invitation, double-check that your project doesn't contain sensitive information like API keys, passwords, or private data. Remove or secure any confidential information before sharing your work with others. Once you've configured the permissions, send the invitation. Your collaborators can now access the project based on the permissions you've assigned. They can review prompts, test AI responses, suggest improvements, or contribute to the project if editing is allowed. If you no longer want someone to have access, simply return to the sharing settings and update or remove their permissions at any time. Regularly reviewing project access helps keep your work secure and organized. And that's how to share projects in Google AI Studio in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.